Boots on the ground, put it down, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Best-selling researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. My friends, I want to be the first to tell you good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day to you. We like to have fun on The Scoop, guys. Scoop's for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white. You can get my books on Amazon.com, like this baby right here. Lithium penny stocks. Low risk, high reward investing. You know what, guys? I put it out there that the stocks are below 50 cents right now. Every one of these stocks is going to go up. Well, I believe so. Our research has taken us to that. But I've said 5 of the 10 will go over $2 in the next couple of years, guys. That's my promise to you. Past performance is not indicative of future performance, but invest in lithium right now. These books are out here right now. Baby knockouts now. You go to Amazon.com, you get the audiobook, paperback book, whatever you want. We're going to look at some charts today, guys. It's a great, great day. Our prayers and thoughts go out to those in Florida that were affected by the hurricane there, and it was a difficult time, difficult nights. This week was kind of tough for those people, my friends. But hey, my community, you know, we can do what we can do, and I love and appreciate all of you, and we all try and live our life in abundance here, and then our goal here is to have a debt-free life, like I've said before, guys. We focus mainly on these baby knockouts. These are companies that can get micro cap right now. They can have the assets. They have that special it about them. They can take on the competition and they can be number one. We've been doing this since the dot-coms, AOL, Cisco Systems, Amazon.com. Those are all companies that are around today that just blew it up during the dot-coms when I traded then. And then going on from there to uranium, the big uranium cycle. I traded that and tore it up, man. A lot of people say, "Well, Mickey D, what's your background, man? What's going on here?" Yeah. I'm a product of Rincon University High School in Tucson, Arizona. Rincon, we were medalist newspaper. I went from there to I was writing for the Tucson Citizen. Is it called the Arizona Citizen now? Tucson Citizen. Anybody from Rincon High School out there? Give me a holler. Give me some. I know they're getting ready to have a reunion here pretty soon, but that's all going to be good here. My private students, you will be receiving. You did receive in your mailbox this week. There's a lithium baby knockout. Make sure you take a look at that and put it on your watch list. Also, we will be doing our annual election cannabis trade. So you're going to get that cannabis stock here. You know, the politicians always jawbone during the election, and they run these stocks up by saying they're going to do well and they're going to legalize marijuana and this and that and the other thing. And we know that it's a lot of jawboning, but it is what it is, guys. And that's the stocks go up. Many of you guys, Mark and Michael and Megan. Megan's torn it up. She's helped us with this trade in years past. Is she tearing it up now? Megan, shout out to our own. She's NFT world there. She's the leading one female in the world when it comes to that and that Bitcoin and stuff. She's tearing it up. Congratulations, Megan. But Kyle, Reggie, April, many others have done their thing with this trade through the years. And it is a trade. It's not an investment unless there's something passed and you guys stick with it. If there's a bill passed and there's legalization, then you stick with the trade. But there's been a lot of stocks, and we'll take a look at the charts that have been put on their back here lately. And we'll just take a look at all the sectors and take a look at some of the charts and how flat they are, and they're ready for a turnaround. Gold, silver, you name it. They're ready for a turnaround, and we will definitely be there as we work in silence and we let our success make the noise. How about that, guys? Let's take a look at the charts. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Once again, if you don't have any of the books, go to Amazon.com. Just type in Mickey D, and you can get some some baby knockouts. You can get some lithium. We've got another book coming out, gold penny stocks also. We got some good stuff, guys. I'm bouncing around here. We got some good stuff coming out. Love you, and let's go ahead and take a look at some charts. Thanks once again for joining me, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to take a look at a lot of charts here. We're going to look at some cannabis. We're going to look at some lithium, uranium, some gold, throw a Bitcoin in there. Let's take a look at our leader, Cameco, in the uranium sector. Cameco is showing strength, guys. It's above its 200-day moving average. Now, the 200-day moving average is not a holy grail or anything. It's just a barometer that we use. There's strength above, and when it gets below, there's weakness. So that's the way we look at it. And Cameco is trading well. That's our leader. Let's look at Sprott Physical Uranium Trust. The physical, we're bumping up against the 200-day moving average. Guys, we're coming up to, it'll be October here. It's October. We'll do October trading. You guys know there was, at the end of the month, shuffling there. Managers doing whatever they have to do. We're looking for the next 60 days. We're looking for a clear breakout over this 200-day moving average for uranium stocks. Uranium energy, once again, it's right there. You have these inside bar days, but ultimately we're looking to go up over our 200-day moving average and do well. 354 into the week. What about energy fuels? Energy fuels is been lagging a little bit here. I reserve the right, guys, to go ahead and sell this stock again. As you know, this is one of my top holdings, and I own all these stocks. And this particular one from maybe 2017 to like 2020, I think I bought it about 37 times or so at under $1. So when it gets up to $12, $13, like I have in the past, I will be taking some off the table. So I'm just telling you well in advance, guys. It gets to be too much of my portfolio, and I totally anticipated doing that. Baby knockout Denison Mines showing some strength a little bit this week. It's below its 200-day moving average still, so there may be some downside pressure on all of these stocks that are below their 200-day moving average. But once Cameco gets rolling, our leader gets rolling, it's going to do very, very well. What about some of the early producers in this cycle? We're looking at Paladin, which is trading sideways right now. Paladin. And guys, past performance is not indicative of future performance, but Paladin's going to get an early start, and we believe they're going to do very, very well. Also, Boss Energy down in Australia. Boss is a stock we picked up real early. What was Boss? 12, 15 cents or whatever it was. And same with Paladin, it was 2-3 cents. So we got on these things early. We're in position. If you're holding, you don't need to trade in and out of these stocks. If you're trading in and out, that's still a good strategy. If you're day trading these stocks, you're getting your movement. You're getting 25, 50 cents, sometimes 75 cents movement on these things. You're getting great movement, so you're doing well there. But companies like Boss Energy, companies like Paladin, that we were in really early, you just hold on to these things. I told you before, this is a long-term trade. I've been in this trade now for over 5 years with a lot of these stocks, and I've added to them as they've gone down and as I've gotten the money. But Lotus Resources. Lotus right now is going to be an early producer. It's on its back, guys, at 15 cents USD. This thing is on its back, well below its 200-day moving average. Lotus, the early producers, guys, are getting no love, just like Clayton Valley right now. They're getting no love, the early producers. Let's take a look at some lithiums. What about Patriot Battery Metals? Some of you guys are still riding high with Patriot. You got in early, and congratulations, you're doing well. Patriot, though, it should come back down to life a little bit. I think it got ahead of itself. A lot of people made a lot of money. A lot of people have done really well with Patriot. Excuse me. And I think we don't chase them, guys. We replace them. So let's wait for Patriot. What about Atlantic? Excuse me. Atlantic Lithium, one of our baby knockouts that we think is going to do very, very well. Big candlestick, guys, big engulfing candlestick on Friday. We believe that this stock is going to do well. It may be re-rated. You never know. It's below its 200-day moving average right now, but we've featured it before. It's in the book, guys. I'm not hiding anything, and I do own a starter's position here, and I should have probably added down here, but I didn't. And the next best place is maybe if it comes down a little bit, I'll add to it. One more lithium here before we go on over to look at some of the other areas here. Look at a couple gold stocks and the Bitcoin here. Surge Battery Metals at 6 cents in the Clayton Valley area. I tell you, that area is not getting any love. I think it's being overlooked, but we shall see. It's just right now it's trading sideways. We expect some drill results to come back possibly positive. You never know how the market's going to interpret these drill results, but we will see here in the next weeks and months to come. And I believe that Surge Battery Metals will be going up here. Guys, just real quick, I didn't fail to give you like the down at the bottom here. I've been going the RSI on these. Usually 50% is let's just say for you new traders, 50% above 50% is good. Below 50% is pressure a little bit. And as you can see, Cameco, we're in the 40s there. Spot Physical Uranium Trust up over 50. Uranium Energy is below 50. Energy Fuels is below 50. Denison Mines is at 47. It's below 50. Paladin is like 38. Boss Energy is 41. Lotus is 41. Patriot Battery Metals is 41. Atlanta Lithium is 53. It's on its way up a little bit, according to the RSI. And Surge Battery Metals is on its way up. Let's take a look at some gold stocks, guys. This little gold producer is called Magna Gold, MGLQF. This little baby knockout at 13 cents here. It's below its 200-day moving average, just like most of these gold baby knockouts, guys. We need a higher gold price, but this thing's been cut down, so it's well below its 200-day moving average. Just like this looks just like many of our gold baby knockouts. These things have our gold baby knockouts, guys, with a higher gold price, which we're going to get as soon as the Fed stops raising interest rates, or they blink, or whatever happens, they pause. Gold and silver stocks are going to go up, and there may be a violent move up, guys. So you kind of want to keep your eye on some of these gold baby knockouts. And Magna Gold, MGLQF on the over-the-counter is one that may fit the bill for you. Let's take a look here. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, they're operating and financial highlight. They're doing better. They had an increase of 26%. A small producer, guys. Small producer is what they are. What about BlackRock Gold? BlackRock Gold. BlackRock Silver, guys. My bad. It's, gold and silver. BlackRock Silver at 29 cents, well below its 200-day moving average, way up here, way down there, guys. Like I said, when there's a pause, all these stocks, gold and silver stocks have been decimated, and when there's a lot of, you definitely want our gold and silver baby knockouts, because there's going to be some, as clear as day, past performance not indicative of future performance, but there's going to be some 10xers, guys, and no doubt, because all we need a higher gold price, and these guys are producing, and they're doing, some of them right now are still making hundreds of millions of dollars, so which they are, whether the gold price goes up or not, they're going to be making a lot of money. But when it goes up, our baby knockouts are going to go up along with them. So we'll see how that goes. Guys, as we prepare for our election, our cannabis election pick, a lot of the stocks are just like Organigram right now, blown away. Look at this, well below its 200-day moving average. It's just been trending lower and lower and lower. You guys know what's happened to cannabis. Without any legislation, like we said years ago, we were going to be in trouble when these stocks were up really, really high, and now they've come back. A lot of them have come back to life. Organigram is one of those companies that will go up. It's not our election pick. Our election pick is lower, and it's going to be a great pick. You'll see. My private students, you'll have that in your mailbox this week, most likely. When we backed the truck up at under 10 cents into Hive Blockchain Technologies, we had no idea that this thing would do this well. It's done exceptionally well. It's below its 200-day moving average right now. Bitcoin is on its back, and so is Ethereum. And this company has exposure to both. And that's why we picked it early on at under 10 cents, and we backed the truck up and piled into it. And a lot of you guys did very, very well. Congratulations on that. Now, when Bitcoin turns around, and if Bitcoin turns around, and Ethereum turns around, and if Ethereum turns around, then this stock will do very, very well. So have it on your watch list, guys. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me. I'll leave some links for you. We'll have a wonderful, wonderful next 90 days as this seasonal stuff gets into full swing here with the commodity seasonal trade. Who knows what's going on over there in Europe? Your boy, old Putin might do this, that, and the other thing. Nobody really knows, but all is going to be well. Once again, I say love you. God bless you. You guys take care of yourself, and it's going to be a great, great next 2 months or so of trading as we lead up into some of the holidays and the new year. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.